Hi, little friends. Welcome. Today, we are at the produce stand. Look, we can see fruits and vegetables. We will learn their names, draw them, and color them together. Get your crayons ready. Let's start drawing. Now, let's open our box and see our crayons. Wow, so many beautiful colors. These colors look so bright and beautiful. I can't wait to use them. Now let's open one crayon and look at the tip. Wow, this marker has a brush tip. That's amazing. It will make coloring so soft and fun. Now let's take them out of the box. Markers like these make me so excited. I can't wait to color with them. Now I will show them to you up close. Look at all these bright and beautiful colors. Now let's play with the markers for a little bit. Let's try something fun. We can roll the markers on the table. Look, they are rolling, rolling, rolling. Yes, they roll so nicely. Now, let's draw a beautiful produce stand. We can fill it with yummy fruits and colorful vegetables. Let's start drawing our produce stand. First, let's draw the awning on top of the stand. It will make our produce stand look bright and pretty. Let's draw the poles for the stand. Now, let's draw a crate on the left and a barrel on the right. Let's draw the middle part of the stand and the little boxes for the fruits and vegetables. This is where we will put all the yummy food. Now, let's draw one more row on top. Great! Our produce stand is getting bigger and better. Let's put some apples here. Let's draw some pears here too. We can't forget the bananas. Let's draw some bananas too. Let's draw some kiwi too. Now, let's put the vegetables on the bottom row. First, let's draw some tomatoes. Who can say no to carrots? Spinach is a super healthy green vegetable. And last, let's draw some zucchini. Now, let's put some oranges in the barrel and some apples in the crate. All done! Now it's time to color. Let's make our produce stand bright and beautiful. Now it's time to color the fruits and vegetables. Apples, pears, bananas, kiwi, tomatoes, carrots, spinach, zucchini, oranges. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start coloring. Now let's put our markers to the side. We will pick them up again when we are ready to color. Let's color the awning like a rainbow. We can use lots of bright and happy colors. Are you ready? Let's go! So you don't get bored, I made this part a little faster. Watch closely. The rainbow awning is coming to life. If you know the names of the colors, say them with me, okay? Now you say the colors before me. Yellow. Come on, tell me. Red. Blue. pink, green, orange, blue, yellow, and red. Our awning looks like a rainbow now. Next, it's time to color the poles and the bottom part of the stand. Let's say the color. Yes, pink. Let's say the color. Green. Let's say the color. Now it's time to color the fruits. We can start with the apples. Let's say the color. Red. Yellow pear. Rainbow banana. Orange. Red tomato. Orange carrot. Rainbow spinach. Rainbow zucchini. You can color them any color you like too. All right, now let's color the rest of the stand, the crate and the barrel. You can draw and color any fruits and vegetables you like too. You are free to put any fruits and vegetables you want in the crates. Yes, once we color the barrel and the crate, our coloring page will be all done. We have lots of drawing and coloring videos like this on our channel. If you enjoyed this video, you can ask a grown-up to subscribe and check out our other fun coloring pages too. If you are excited for the next video, don't forget to like this video and come back for more. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.